It's amazing. If you're blessed during this time to have a neighbor who is baking like crazy, consider yourself a very lucky soul. I'm very happy. Delicious. Hey everybody, so I am going to be showing you how to do my famous holistic ice cubes. So I've been getting a lot of DMs from my clients wanting this simple DIY so they can do it at home, especially during this time. And this is what I'm known for doing in the facials I do at my work. I obviously add so many different ingredients to it, but I'm gonna show you how to make it simplify, and I'm gonna show you how to make it like super fancy. So give you different steps, the tools, but this is my favorite go-to cool down after extractions, micro, chemical peels, waxing, threading, laser treatment, at home after you just got done doing a really delicious, amazing mask on yourself. I even use it to remove my honey mask. It's gonna help with the blood flow, the circulation, irritation, sensitivity, redness, rosacea, hormonal breakouts. It is an amazing, awesome, simple, very simple facial tool to use at home, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we are gonna do holistic ice cubes. Here we go. Okay, so simple ingredients and simple tools that you need. You need your water, ice cube tray, this is huge. A bowl if you want to use it to mix things. I don't really even use a bowl because I just put everything directly into the measuring cup with the water and kind of just mix it in here. Your essential oils, I have a tea tree essential oil, and the tea tree is going to be amazing for hormonal breakouts. It's going to be amazing for adolescent breakouts, just breakouts in general. Then you have the rose water. And then I also have a lavender essential oil. And then I have some dried roses and dried lavender. So that's to make it like a little bit more fancier, all right? If you wanna get really fancy with it, you can add different oils, jojoba oil. It's jojoba, it's not Jehovah, okay? Not Jehovah Witness, it's jojoba. I have a Lotus Moon toner here. I have a Bella Rose and Neroli toner. I have the Chan Danny toners that she has, a lavender and a rose. And then if you want to add dry powders, you can also do dry powders like turmeric or cacao. So there's that. So we're gonna go ahead and do it and make some magic happen. Here we go. All right, so I am gonna be using some of the lavender and roses. So I'm gonna definitely just take it off with a stem. Okay, and then the rose petals, I'm gonna actually like crush it up. Shred, 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 shred. Shred, shred, shred. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God. That smells amazing just by itself. Oh, I have a couple more rose petals. Then I'm gonna do about 5 to 10 drops of jojoba oil. And then I am actually going to do a little bit of the Bella Rose and Neroli toner. Just gonna do like a capful. Gonna do 5 drops of the lavender, and then I'm gonna do 5 drops of the concentrated rose. Oh my God, this is amazing. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the water. Here we go. And just mix it. Mix it like you're whipping eggs or whipped cream or whatever you're whipping around these days. It is literally that simple. If you feel like it's not fragrant enough, if you want to add more roses, more lavender, do it. Do what makes you happy. So once I've mixed all that together, I pour it back into the measuring cup. Pour it into the tray. Voila! Hi! And then once they set for at least a minimum of 4 hours to overnight, I always do overnight, they're so gorgeous the next day. So off they go into the freezer, and then I'm going to have so much fun doing this on myself later. If I can close that. thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. And for all my clients that were DMing me over and over about this, I hope this makes you happy.
One eternity later.
So I am going to use these beautiful ice cubes right now, literally directly on my face. Oh my god, it's so good. A little messy in the kitchen, but you know what? I'm gonna go put a mask on right now, and I'm gonna go jump into the bathtub, and I'm going to use these beautiful holistic ice cubes. All right, enjoy making your own, and I'll see you guys next time.